Good morning everyone. How have you been? Hope that all of you doing well and having a really good time. So it is 9 a.m. Today I am came here at Brickfield area. You can see the whole area. So I will not show you the whole area. My camera quality is not good and I just show you little bit something. So today I am talking about how to process a brick. So at first you can see the primary level of bricks and you can see that. So how to process it, and at the primary level we are talking about, and in the primary level soil gathered in a place and then it is processed by a machine. When it is processed, then it is sent to the person who are make it, and they are just thrown into a small container, and when the shape is ready then it is taken out from the container and it is left in it is left for dry, and I think it is take 10 days. After 10 days it is sent to a big fire oven. You can see behind me a big fire oven. You can see the big fire oven, and it is take I think 2 months. After 2 months it is take out from the big fire oven, and when the brick is ready, that time it is suitable for sold into the market, and even you are use it for our making a building, making a house, and it is also used for the house. And when it is ready, that time it is change its color. You can see the final process of brick, and when it is ready, that time its color is red. And you are know that process of a brick, but we don't think about those person who are make it, and some person who are living in house but they are come here in Brickfield area for their livelihood, and I think they are stay in 6 months in the Brickfield area, and they earn money for their family person, for their livelihood. So when you communicated with those person who are make it, then you have no objection about your life, and we have lot of objection about our life, but those person are always down to earth person. They are very simple, they are leading simple life, and simple life always best for us. And when you leading simple life, that time you have no objection and your life will be happy and you think happy. So today I am talking with a person who are working here in Brickfield area. So he said me they join his working early in the morning at I think 4 a.m. and he worked till 1 a.m. After the work is complete, then he go to his home, not home, there is no home, and it is a there is